Hello everyone, I am Geeta Khatri and you are watching Learn It Scholar. So I am back with your exercise 10.4. Till now we have discussed exercises 10.1, 10.2 and 10.3 and I have explained all the concepts to you. I have explained how to draw a triangle if the measurements of 3 sides are given, if the measurements of 2 sides and the angle included between the 2 sides are given. Now we will discuss if the measurements of 2 angles and 1 side are given, how to draw that type of triangle. That means ASA criteria. If the side included between the 2 angles is given, then we can draw the triangle based upon the information given in the question or the problem. If the measurements of 2 angles and 1 side is given but the side is not included between the angles, then what will we do? A few conditions are given in this exercise where you have to make use of the angle sum property of the triangle. That means if the 2 angles are given and the measurement of 1 side is given, this side is not included between the 2 angles, then you have to find out the third angle. The angle sum property of the triangle states that the sum of the 3 angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. If the measurements of 2 angles are given, then you can find out the measurement of the third angle by adding the 2 angles and subtracting this sum from 180 degree. That you know well. In this way, you will be able to draw the triangle when the measurements of 2 angles and 1 side is given and that side is not included between the angles. I am demonstrating. Let's see. Suppose the side and angles are given as follows. One side AC is given as 7 centimeter. The angles, the measurement of one angle, angle A is equal to 60 degree. The measurement of the second angle is 50 degree. Now the included side, that is AB, is not given. AC is given. So we cannot draw the triangle until and unless we have AB. We have the measurement of AB. So what we will do? We will construct the triangle. First of all, we draw a line of 7 centimeter. And we will calculate the angle C using the angle sum property. Angle A, angle B and angle C. The sum of all the 3 angles is equal to 180 degree according to the angle sum property of the triangle. So we know angle A and angle B. So we will calculate angle C. Angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 60 plus 50 degree, that means 110 degree. So we will subtract 110 degree from 180 degree and we will get 70 degree. That means angle C is equal to 70 degree. Now all the 3 angles are known and we can draw the triangle easily. On this line we will draw the angle A 60 degree. Angle C is equal to 70 degree. Now we will draw the real figure. First of all, draw the line AC which is equal to 7 centimeter. Using protractor, draw the angle 60 degree. At C, draw the angle 70 degree. At point C, draw the angle 70 degree. Now the triangle is complete. You have seen that we have used the angle sum property to find the third angle. If the side included between the angles is not given, you will make use of this property to draw the triangle. I am demonstrating that if you don't use this property, you will not be able to draw the triangle because the included side is not given. We draw a line AC is equal to 7 centimeter and then we draw an angle 60 degree. Now where is the point B? Because C is unknown, we won't be able to draw the triangle and find B. To complete the triangle, we must know either the included side or the third angle. That's why we are using the angle sum property. Understood now? Whenever you get these type of problems or these type of questions where you don't have enough data to draw the triangle, then you can use the angle sum property. In this way, you will be able to find all the three angles and you can complete the triangle. And this criteria is called AAS because the side is not included between the angles. Two angles are given and one non-included side is given. If you still have query or doubt, you can connect me on WhatsApp or you can mail me. The contact details are given in the description box. Here is one example where the side is given and the two angles are given. This is the included side and two angles. The measurement of one angle is 30 degree. The measurement of the second angle is equal to 100 degree. So we can draw the triangle easily because the included side is given. First of all, we will draw a rough sketch. In that, we will draw XY, which is approximately equal to 6 centimeter. This is XY. Now we will draw the angle ZXY at X, which is equal to 30 degree. Now we will draw XYZ, which is equal to 100 degree, and now we will join both these sides to complete the triangle. Now one angle is of 30 degree, another angle is of 100 degree, that means 130 degree total. If we subtract 130 degree from 180 degree, we get 50 degree. So to check whether the triangle drawn is correct or not, you can measure the third angle. If it is equal to 50 degree, then the angle is accurate. If you want to score full marks, check whether whatever you have drawn is correct or not. This is XY, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Now angle X, it is equal to 30 degree. According to the rough sketch, we will draw the angle Y, which is equal to 100 degree. This is the required triangle XYZ. Now move to exercise 10.4. Question number 1. Angle A is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is given as 30 degree and the side between the two angles is equal to 5.8 centimeter. We will draw the rough sketch first. So this is equal to 5.8 centimeter, angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 30 degree. We will draw roughly the estimated angles, and we will get the triangle ABC. This is the rough sketch. I think till now you have understood how to draw ASA triangles. That means angle side and angle triangles. So now we will draw according to the rough sketch 5.8 centimeter AB. We will use the protractor to draw the angle 60 degree. This is AB. Angle is 60 degree. Another angle B is equal to 30 degree. The required triangle ABC is now ready by ASA criteria. In question number 2, PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, angle PQR is equal to 105 degree, angle QRP is equal to 40 degree. By angle sum property, angle PQR plus angle QRP plus angle QPR, these three angles is equal to 180 degree. The sum is 180 degree. 105 plus 40 plus angle QPR is equal to 180 degree. We will add 105 and 40 and we will get 145, and we will subtract 145 from 180 degree, which is equal to 35 degree. It is angle QPR. Because the included side is not given, so we have used angle sum property as I told you earlier. So now we know all the three angles. First of all, we will draw the line PR, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we will draw the angle QPR, which is equal to 35 degree. Then we will draw the angle PQR, which is equal to 105 degree. We will join the two lines to complete the triangle PQR. The third angle is equal to 40 degree. After completing the triangle, you can measure the third angle to know whether you have drawn correctly or not. According to this rough sketch, draw the real figure. It is equal to 5 centimeter. It is PR. Now we will draw the angle P and angle Q. First angle is equal to 35 degree. The second angle is equal to 105 degree. We will use the protractor to draw the two angles. Join the two lines to get the point R and complete the triangle according to the rough sketch drawn. measure the third angle C. It is equal to exactly 40 degree. So our triangle is absolutely correct. This is the required triangle. Triangle PQR drawn with AAS criteria using angle sum property. Question number 3 is examine whether you can construct triangle DEF such that EF is equal to 7.2 centimeter, angle E is equal to 110 and angle F is equal to 80 degree. Whether you are able to construct the triangle or not, we have to check. And then we have to justify our answer. Two angles are given. Angle E is equal to 110 and angle F is equal to 80 degree. So first of all, let us draw a rough sketch. EF is given 7.2 centimeter. Angle E is 110. Angle F is equal to 80 degree. Okay. So if we draw the rough sketch, we can roughly estimate it is 110 and it is 80 degree. Third angle is unknown. Now first of all, we can see that 110 and 80 degree is equal to 190 degree. And according to the angle sum property of the triangle, the sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degree. It is already more than 180 degree. So the question is the triangle DEF possible? Let's see. 110 degree, 80 degree and angle EDF. So if the sum of two angles is more than 180 degree, what will be the third angle? It is equal to minus 10 degree, which is not possible. That means the triangle DEF is not possible. We have to write the full answer that we cannot construct triangle DEF as it does not follow the angle sum property of the triangles. I hope you have understood all the concepts explained in this video. If there is any doubt, you can write in the comment section or you can write a mail on the given mail ID or you can WhatsApp me. All the contact details are given in the description box. I have covered many of your lessons on this channel. You can browse the channel and watch those videos. In future, I will upload videos covering all your course in all the subjects. If you want to watch, you have to subscribe the channel by pressing the red button. Subscription is totally free. You have to hit the bell and press all to receive notification whenever I upload the videos to ensure that you don't miss any of the videos. Exercise 10.4 is complete. Exercise 10.5 is given in another video. Link is given in the description box. You can go down, press the link and watch that video. Bye bye for now. We will meet soon with the next chapter.